As a newbie in applying cluster lashes, very new to this, best way to apply is by having a mirror like this. It's very effective. Pagtao din nyo sa cluster lashes is nagtanaw mo sa ilalom. So this is how the mirror looks like. So pwede mo siya ma-rotate. I'm going to show you ha. Dapat naghangad ang mirror sa imuhang mata. It works. Wala na ako ni siya gituyo og tuon. Nakita lang gid ako siya by chance online. Kani siya nga technique. Nabutang na ko siya sa akong lower lash, and then what you do, so na siya sa akong lower lash, okay? And what you do is you close your eyes and then mutabok siya sa taas. Now it's not perfect, right? So what you do is you just pinch it. Can you tell the difference by now? Not so sure if maklaro ninyo, but I have my lashes na. So there I have my lashes na. Actually, pinaka easy and pinaka-effective siya for me as a newbie, ha. Siyempre, it takes practice. Hindi mo na siya mag-perfect during the first try or even the second try. So, you have to be very patient with yourself. But one thing's for sure, ako nga galisod yung kay kog lashes before. And if you're like me, if you're a newbie nga galisod magtawag og cluster lashes, I hope this video helps. You just try it. Iuna ninyo siya sa ubos. Tapos ipilok ninyo yung mata. Para sa akong gibuhat kaganina.